you for joining. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of editing. Yeah, trying to get a video out, keep you guys happy, and yeah, can't wait for the next one. But in this little video, you guys are going to be seeing Team Timols fishing the Bronkhorstspruit FLW leg 6, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. It wasn't the easiest of days. Finding those big fish was not an easy feat. So yeah, have a look, check out the footage, let me know what you think. Here we go. Top shots definitely bites to throw if you're not catching fish.
Proper just pull drag. It's like a one-way good They get it.
Those are drop shots. Just put up maybe a bit of a bigger fluke or something.
Drop shot with a G30 with a chartreuse tail.
Oh, that, yeah.
That one, try and see quickly before we move to another spot to see if they move or not.
You're swimming towards me. No, how's that? Two cost. This is not up there.
Yep, that's a big fish.
Where is he?
Diving. That's good fish. That's a good fish. Don't jump.
Yes, useless. Show the camera. Wow. I guess it seems to be hard.
Huh?
It's hard. It feels alright. Maybe I'll upgrade, I doubt it. I guess it's hit me hard though.
Come.
A few minutes later.
So guys, 2 o'clock right now, and yeah, not much to talk about. We've caught a lot of little fish, and one keeper that we weighed in earlier on, as I think we caught it deep, so we wanted to get it weighed in and released as soon as possible. And then a lot of small fish, so yeah, we just haven't found the other keepers to get us a good bag. But we're off to our last spot, which usually produces well for us, and where we caught our big fish this morning, and we're going to spend the rest of the day there until weigh-in, and hopefully get an update on the bag. So yeah, let's see how the rest of the 2 hours goes, and wish us luck. I don't know. Feels a bit better, but it could be just. It feels a bit better. It's swimming towards me though, I think. I think it could be small. It's an upgrade. It's an upgrade. Yeah. There we go. Right in the shallows, bro. As soon as I actually hit the water, I think he hit it and he started swimming towards me.
It's a bit better. I don't think so.
I don't think so. Right at that jetty. Small though.
I think I'll get a big come here. Pink.
Oh, it comes off. And he stole my bait. Again. Dunk dunk, and then definitely smaller ones. But there's definitely fish here at this jetty. There we go. Same sizes, bro.
Liking that thing. Deep one.
Oh, feels a little bit small. When they take it, you like get excited. Yeah, as you guys saw, that just was one of those days where we just couldn't find that big fish. Everywhere we went, all our good spots, just couldn't find the kicker. But we managed 10th, and it shot us up to 3rd, so that's not too shabby. And hopefully we'll do better on the next one. So let's see. Anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. You know what to do. And let me know what you think in the comments. Anywho guys, tight lines. And catch you in the next video. I'm still here, but I'll catch you on the next video.